This video is to show how students will log in to SchoolCity to take an assessment. So once they've opened up their browser, students will need to go to online.schoolcity.com/mvwsd. Now coming soon, the tech department's going to push out an icon to all of the Chromebooks, so they won't have to open a browser or type in a website, they'll just have to click on the icon at the bottom of the screen. For the student access, their username is going to be the same one that they use for logging into the Chromebooks, but theirs does include the @mvwsd.net. So please make sure your students type in the complete username, and then their passwords will be the same that they use for the Chromebooks. And they'll click on sign in. And once they've signed in, they're going to come to their Launchpad that will have two task cards, the take assessments and the review scores. So when you're ready to have them take the test, they'll click on take assessments. And if you have opened up a test for them to take, it'll be listed right here, and they'll only have access to the tests that you have opened and administered. So once they have one administered, they'll click on it here, and it'll immediately open up and take them to question number 1. And when they're finished, they'll just click done, and their scores will immediately be provided to them. Now their assessments are set with a general time of 2 hours and 30 minutes. However, if you do need to add time, back on your screen, you can add time by clicking up on this digital clock at the top above all your students. And if you click on the little clock, it'll open up a time, and you can just click the arrow and apply to add more time for your students to take the test. If your students need to stop the test before finishing and resume at a later time, all they'll need to do is just X out of their browser. So make sure that they do not click on the done button on their screens, because that does submit the test. They'll need to X out of the browser, just close it, and all of their information will be saved, and it'll take them right back to where they left off the next time that they log in. Now you will have to start another session and administer the test to those students that you want to work on it again. To see how your students did and to learn more about looking at the test results, please watch the next video.